Changing the email link to your Binance account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly and securely. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or app and log in using your current email and password. Ensure you have access to your current email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your account icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email change option. In the account settings menu, look for the option to change your email address. Click on this option to begin the process of updating your email. Step 4. Verify your identity. You will likely be prompted to verify your identity. This may involve entering a code sent to your current email or completing two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided to confirm your identity. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, enter your new email address and confirm it. You may need to check your new email for a verification link or code to finalize the change. Follow any additional prompts to complete the process. Once you've completed these steps, your email address linked to your Binance account will be updated. Always ensure that your new email is secure and accessible for future account recovery and notifications.